Gray, where did you, and what is the company? They're really nice, man. Like the shine is there. The finish is really nice. They actually look like your stock Harley Davidson one. They just don't have the logo, right? Where'd you get these from? What company? And how'd you find them, bro?
So the company is TCMT. I found them from another YouTuber, Bodine52.
Okay.
He had bought a chrome set for his limited. He had a discount code, so I figured I'd go and check it out. I got the arms and the pegs. I think it was for $66 after tax and everything.
That ain't bad at all, man.
No, it was a hell of a deal.
That is a damn good deal. So is he still running the code? Can you still go to his channel and get the code off of there?
I bought them last week and the code still works.
Awesome. Okay, so look, I'll leave his link down below. I've seen his channel too, man. He's a really good guy. So I'll leave his link down below. Go check him out. Do they have highway? What other, do they have regular pegs and all that? Or did you look that far into the website?
I believe they do. They have the long arms, which are these for the limiteds with the lower fairings.
Right.
They also have the short arms for the bikes that don't have the lower fairings.
Okay, right on.
I think there's 2 or 3 other peg designs if you wanted something different.
Okay, cool. So, Gabriel, I don't know, Gray, you want to do these?
I could do these. It even comes with the tools.
Hey, we'll let Gray do it because, bruh, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get down with that. So we'll let Gray get down into that, man. That way he can give you a breakdown of what he thinks as far as being able to install them. It doesn't, you know, they shouldn't be that hard to install. It's just getting them perfect, right? Getting them just right where you want them is gonna be the testing part, right? So you'll have to put them on, check it out, make sure they're right where he needs them. They also, like he said, comes with the Allen wrenches already, man, so you don't have to worry about having any tools. That's fine because it comes with what you need to install them. Now you do have these other protective crash bar protectors, right, on your bike. So let's let them know about these, because if you do have these, of course, they're only gonna be able to go above that, right?
These are motorcycle drop guards. I got these from a link with Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle, Robert Simmons. I bought them before I went to his class, dropped the bike about 4 times, had it completely on its side, and I've got no damage.
Yeah, so they work good.
I even got the primary guard as well, and that one's taking a beating.
Gotcha. So that's the only thing though, whenever you go with these highway pegs, right? Because they're not going to be able to go lower than what you have these other guards on.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think they're going to need to go lower. Depending on how you want to place your foot, because these sit at the bottom curve of the crash bars.
Gotcha. All right, so again, they are from TCMTco.com, right?
Yep.
I don't know if y'all can see that. That's where they're at. They come just like this here. We're going to go ahead and let Gray go ahead and get started and drop these jokers on. Let's get it, man.
So you can see they're indexed on the inside of it. So wherever you put it, they're going to lock.
Gotcha.
So that's nice. A washer to go in between.
So if you got lowers, you don't have to worry about moving anything or anything like that, right?
Nah, there should be enough space through here. I haven't tried them yet, but let's see.
Let me get on the other side. Hang on. There you go. Wish the bolts were black though, huh?
Yeah, you can always paint them or get something different.
Yep.
They don't come with instructions. So
yeah, they don't.
This out for yourself.
So let's see. Okay, so this arm here, if you were to drop this one on, well, they're both the same, no?
Oh, yeah, they're ambidextrous. Okay.
Yeah, so they're both the same there. You want to put that back up there? Now, so then difference is going to be run them just in or out, right? As far as the...
So I can move them in, move them out, and then I can also move that, loosen this up.
So the height, and just the height of them.
I can set this
Gotcha.
wherever I want.
Okay.
My goal is to be able to rest my heel here and my foot here.
Right.
So we'll see. And then if I want, just kick my legs over it if I want to.
That's the best part, right, of highway pegs, is being able to sit your heel here and then still be able to have your foot up there, because that's how we roll, huh, Gabriel?
Yeah.
That's fucking makes it nice, dude.
Oh yeah, it's very comfortable.
Yep. And then for the long hauls, then you just throw your leg up on top of it and just run it straight legged. So those have lock washers, or should we put Loctite? Or should you have Loctite on them? I don't have any here, but
I have Loctite at home in my toolbox. If they do start to come loose, then I'll worry about it then.
Okay.
I haven't seen many issues as of yet.
Gotcha.
And
2 wavy washers.
I don't know if these are directional or not. They were both facing the same direction.
How hot is it out here?
It is 100 degrees out here with a heat index of Satan's asshole.
Fucking Texas, man. Gotta love it.
This one's gotta go like this,
And I'm assuming the other one's
And-
gonna face the same way.
like this.
So they're both gonna be curved inward.
Yep.
Yeah, so I would put them in all at once, right?
There you go.
There you
That'll
go.
hold that shit.
And just play with it, see if it'll.
You good at playing with it, Gray?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it, son.
I got 2 kids.
Yeah, I know that's right. I know that's right. There she is. Did it go all the way through, yeah?
I think so. Feels like it did. So these threads are a little gritty, so I might take this back out, put some anti-seize on it or something.
Yeah. So the easiest way was kind of get them both in at the same on the peg itself, and then squeeze them in there all at one time, and then kind of just play with it, huh, Gabriel?
Yeah, and the screws here is so that this allows you to fold it only a certain angle. That's
Right.
it. So we won't touch this or too far in.
Got you.
But it look like you're not gonna have a problem.
Yeah.
And also when they fold down, the one on the bottom determines how low it goes.
Oh, the little Allen heads
Yeah,
back here.
yeah.
Okay, so there's some Allen heads on the back side here that you just tighten up or loosen up to where it gives you
Yeah,
how far.
Yeah, you run them in and out.
Yeah.
And it gives you the angle of the peg.
I got you. I got you.
This one I'm gonna make it so it's straight up.
There you go. Okay, I see what it's doing.
Okay. Loosen this one.
And gives you the angle of the dangle.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Got you.
Make sure it didn't interfere with our brake.
Mm-hmm. I think you're gonna want that rotated a little bit more, to be honest with you.
Think so?
I think so. Just a tad bit more towards you. No, towards you.
That?
Yeah. I may be wrong, but that's
Then
what
again,
I'm
you may
thinking.
be right.
All right. So you got all kinds of adjustability here, yeah?
Yeah, so it looks like you got 3 points of adjustment. You got this here at the hinge,
Yeah.
the clamp. You've got these screws here for how far up and down this goes.
Yeah.
And then you've got this bolt here that adjusts the tilt of the pad itself.
Nice. And sorry about all the road noise, man. Look, I had all this shit set up right. I brought everything for the earlier video. I had my big camera. I'm recording on my phone. I had my big camera, had the mics, everything. Go to start recording, bro.
SD card.
SD damn
The
car.
most important thing about videos.
Son of a bitch. So, road noise is probably pretty loud just because I don't have the mics with the muffle on them. But either way, we're getting it done, eh, Gray?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So the only thing I'm not a fan of so far is with the tools they've given, I've tightened this, but I can still
Move it.
swing
Okay.
Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, that's up to the end user. I would rather it be locked down.
Yeah, well,
So I might put something in there, like, you know, a strip of rubber or something to give it a little extra
let's see if we can get it tighter right here. Squeeze that joker in. Now
I
try
know.
that. Oh, still a little bit,
Yeah.
but yeah.
So yeah, you're gonna have to put something in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's fine.
Okay.
It's either that or that washer. Make it thinner.
Oh, so squeeze tighter.
See that rubber one?
Yeah.
Make it thinner so it'll squeeze more.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Sure.
All right.
Now
So
we're gonna
let's
do the other side.
do the other side.
When I did mine, I put tape on the bar.
Put tape.
I put tape.
Okay.
Okay, I put tape, and then I set this one in there,
Yeah.
and I looked at the angles that it needed to be done, and then I ripped up the tape where this one was, and I left the line, and I just went back. That way I don't
Yeah. Back and forth. Back and forth. Back.
scratch the
I gotcha. Yep.
finish on
Yep.
on the board. But that's just me. I went a little bit overboard.
Yeah.
We're just doing it fast and dirty. It's okay.
Yeah. That's just how I run it. Hey, they're either gonna stay on there or they're gonna come off, and then
That's
you
right.
just do something different. You know what I'm saying? Shit. The quality of these things, man, are really fucking nice, man.
They're just like
Just like this
these
Harley,
are the
right?
Harley ones.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Heavy duty.
yeah, I don't know how much I paid for mine, but I needed it.
Well, it definitely wasn't, what, $60 something
It
dollars?
was like 66
Oh,
and
that's
change with
Huh?
tax. and
Definitely
shipping.
wasn't.
You can pay for that Harley, man. You can pay for Mercedes.
Yep, exactly. So now you're just using the Allen wrench to kind of line it up?
Yeah, because I can see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
See, it's kind of weird.
Gotcha.
So at least if you start the first one,
You can thread it through to.
the other one should follow.
Yeah. The Bodine 52 having this much of an issue?
He didn't do an install video. He
Oh.
just did like a little review. And,
Oh, okay.
And, you know, letting everybody know that they were nice, cheap pieces.
Yeah.
So,
Gotcha.
not cheap, but affordable.
Right, affordable, yeah. For average folk like us,
Yes.
yeah?
Wine
Oh, there
tastes
you go.
on your budget.
Yeah. A natural light budget.
But they're not too bad pieces, man. They look really good.
Yeah, they look
They're
really good.
Thick and sturdy.
Well, even the pad, bro. The pad is fucking thick as shit. You
It
know what I'm
is.
saying? So that threaded in good, huh?
Yeah, we'll mess with it.
Once you get it on.
Yeah.
All right, so maybe the key is to put the actual footrest onto the arm before putting it on
Yeah.
the bike. That might do it. That might be a little easier. Well, they put red Loctite on that some bitch or what?
I wish they would come out with a plastic insert that
That goes over it.
You have to go.
Oh,
over.
Yeah.
The side of it.
Mm-hmm.
The hard plastic.
Yep.
Or at least something rubber. Like this has a
Oh,
rubber
rubber,
insert
yeah.
in it.
Yeah.
If you look right here, you can see it.
Yeah.
There's a rubber piece that helps it bite on, so it doesn't scratch the
Yeah.
the paint or
Yep.
anything on it. I'm probably gonna get some rubber strip like that and put it inside.
Just
of
put
there
it
as
inside
well.
of there, yeah.
Don't want to crush the paint.
Yeah.
Dude, there's no room.
No.
I think he went in with the other side first,
Oh,
Gabriel.
this big, bro. Oh, you want to push the plastic a little bit? Hold on.
There you go.
Yes, because not our shit, right? We want to
Yeah.
be careful.
If it was mine,
Yeah, 'cause we can give a fuck. We just throw that bitch on there.
yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't. You would.
Like my bike has so many scratches already.
Hey, but if it ain't scratched, it ain't riding. You know what I'm saying? You ain't riding the shit if it ain't scratched, bro.
That's the problem.
Huh?
I wasn't riding it when I started.
Damn. But we ain't gotta tell everybody that though, man.
Okay. I was riding it when I scratched.
Yeah, you riding that shit.
I wish I had my bike here to compare it.
Fuck, go get it, bro. We'll wait for you. And you're sitting right on top of this thing here, yeah?
Yeah.
On the
I
other
might
one
go
too?
a little higher.
Just a tad bit higher. I might end up looking into those, bro, and get rid of the ones that I painted. You know what I'm saying? These look really good, dude.
But that looks like it's about it.
That's gonna work?
Yeah.
Let's give her a try. See what you think.
Good for me.
It's just gonna be a ride and try, you know what I'm saying?
Ride home, so
Yeah.
I'll get to figure it out.
Yep, for sure,
If I
man.
need to move them, I can just do a little push, pull them back in.
Yep. Oh, there you go. Hell yeah. Cool, man. That's good shit. Again, what was the company, bro?
TCMT. So
TCMT.
TCMTco.com.
All right, and then go to Bodine 52's channel.
Yeah, and you'll get a discount code for it.
Hell
It was
yeah.
like 10% or something.
Yeah. Right on. So again, man, I appreciate Gray stopping by and letting us do this for him, man, and recording it because, you know, all content is good content, eh? So I think what we're gonna do now, man, is go ahead and have another hydration session, and then you gonna get your bike, bro?
Sure that?
I think so. We'll get his bike, and then that way we can compare the two, because he's actually got the Harley. So he's got the actual Harley ones, man. So we'll go get the bike, and we'll show you exactly the difference between the two, man, so we can show you the quality difference, which there's not gonna be a big difference except the little logo. Little
Logo's
logo.
a lot of money.
That's a logo's a lot of money. We'll be back in a minute. All right, Kim folks. So look, here's the comparison right here. So this is actually Harley brand, right? Harley Davidson brand here on the brother-in-law bike. So Gray, like Gray was saying, the only difference, this bolt here, of course, isn't black and it's flat on the other one, but the washer's the same. Your little Allens on the back side are the same. The clamp's the same, but he has the short arms, right? He doesn't have the long arms. Now, the only difference that I see, I don't know if these were shiny whenever you first got them.
Nah.
They weren't, huh? So it's like a flat, what the fuck? Damn. So they're like a flatter black than these here, right? So this is all shiny, man. Everything's shiny here, but again, everything is exactly the same except that.
I mean, it even has that washer on the inside.
Yeah, it's even got the little metal washers in there.
Now, in all fairness, on TCMT site,
yeah,
there is an option for a flat black like his peg.
Oh, is there?
There is an option for a flat black.
Okay.
So you can get chrome, gloss black, or flat black.
Gotcha.
I think that they were at one point shiny.
Do they?
I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Well, that's like the mirrors, man. Harley mirrors, these stems, they fucking fade so quick, bro. Fade
Mine
so
always
quick.
look like a flat black.
Yeah, they fade so quick.
These are
But
actually going to be getting changed out. There's another set that I found. They're identical
Yeah.
to the Harley ones, except the stem is longer. It comes up higher.
Right,
and
and then
go
goes
further
out.
So I think I'm going to end up getting those because I don't want to see my elbows. I want to see the other cars.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, man. I mean, that thing just nice quality, man. So good job on them, bro.
Yeah, my shit ain't clean, bro.
Cleaner than mine.
There's a straight comparison, man, between the Harley peg, TCMT pegs right there, man.